बॅक टू हॅलो दोतोर. हॅलो दोतोर कार्यावळीन आज आमच्या बरोबर आसात डॉक्टर वी मोदी, गोंयच्यो नामनेच्यो डर्मेटॉलॉजिस्ट म्हणजे कातीच्यो तज्ञ डॉक्टर. एक स्पेशलिस्ट आसा की तांचे कडेन वेगवेगळी नवी यंत्र किंवा यंत्रसामुग्री किंवा लेटेस्ट इन द सब्जेक्ट जी बरीचशी माहिती आसा, माहितीचो खजानो आसा. तुमचे कातीच्या दुयेंसाचे जे कितें प्रश्न आसा तुमच्यानी आमकां विचारूं येता 24904444 किंवा 24904445 ह्या नंबराचेर फोन करताना घरा कडल्या टीव्हीचा आवाज मातसो कमी करात आणि स्पष्ट आणि थोडक्यान प्रश्न विचारात. मॅडम इंग्लिशीन किंवा हिंदीन जाप दितली पण हांव तुमच्या जाल्यार कोंकणीन अनुवाद करता. प्रश्न विचारच्या पयलीं जस्ट अगेन टू दिस मॅडम वॉट आय वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू हॅव मेड अ व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल स्टेटमेंट सेड दॅट दोज पीपल हू हॅव द एक्ने दे ऑफन हॅव द डॅन्ड्रफ.
Yeah.
Often. There are except some fortunate people who will like me who don't get dandruff but may end up in having acne. So what I want to ask you, whereas means what is a remedy for reducing the hair fall?
Okay, you are asking about
yeah,
yourself.
naturally because now nobody is let me take this privilege.
Yeah. Okay. See, actually, first.
Okay, let's talk specially. You can focus more on the fairer sex, so that because now they are more concerned. मैं तो कैसे adjust कर लेता है.
ठीक है. Actually, nowadays maybe because of I don't know junk food है या जो हमारा stress level है या क्या है, hair fall की problem is very very chronic and it is on the rise.
Yeah.
That is because of one is thyroid problem.
Yeah.
Secondly, एक अनदर प्रॉब्लम है मेडिकल जिसको हम पीसीओडी कहते हैं. उसमें भी कुछ हार्मोन्स का इम्बैलेंस इज
पॉलिसिस्टिक
ओवेरियन डिजीज या देन कुछ हेयर फॉल हैं जो कि हम नॉर्मल मानते हैं लाइक आफ्टर डिलीवरी, आफ्टर दिस एबॉर्शन और आफ्टर एनी क्रॉनिक इलनेस लाइक टाइफाइड और सो. ठीक है. सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द कॉज वी हैव टू ट्रीट. Okay.
Yeah.
So this PCOD problem is very very common and this problem is because of androgens, male hormones. Now you can see that females are doing all the jobs of the male.
Yeah.
Working in the banks, aircrafts, everywhere they are working. So I don't know, naturally that male hormones are increasing
more predominant.
And
that is showing the more aggressive nature than the female hormone.
Yeah. Or because of that, wo baldness is coming.
Yeah.
But females should be happy, लेकिन एक positive है कि they will not become bald. That is the nature's gift. They will not become bald, but only density of hair will reduce.
Yeah. That's why
थोड़ा thinning हो जाती है थोड़ी सी ना.
That's all.
For that एलोपैथी में different treatments हैं, like some I don't want to know that say the trade names, लेकिन कुछ lotions हैं, कुछ tablets हैं.
Minoxidil for example. Yeah.
That gives good results, but only problem is it has to be used for lifelong.
For a
lifelong till you want your hair, you have to use that.
I see.
If you stop it, then hair fall will start again within 3-4 months.
Okay, ma'am, I think we have got a question. Hello. Yeah.
Dr. Pichochan उलयता.
Pichochan from my hometown, please. Yes.
डॉक्टर म्हाका खूप खाज येता म्हणजे वताक तेन्ना वतर येयले किंवा म्हाका पावसान बी भिजले जाल्यार म्हाका खूप खाज येता. डॅन्ड्रफीचो प्रॉब्लम कांय ना. रिजन उपाय कितें?
She gets lot of itching after coming. तू भायरसून येतकूच खाज येता म्हटलें. आणि भिजतकूच न्हातकच
पावसान भिजतकूच तेच मातशें वॉटर प्रेस लागता.
ओके वी गॉट इट.
आनी डॉक्टर आनी एक क्वेश्चन आसा. तुमकां डार्क सर्कल्स खूब आसा तेजेर क्लीन फेस अप्लाय केले पूण रिजल्ट मेळना.
एक मिनिट. डार्क सर्कल खूप म्हणजे दोळ्या भोंवतणी.
खूप आणि वयली आसा डार्क आयलिडी ब्लॅक आसा माझे.
बरें आसा. ओके. Two questions. One is that when she goes out, especially in the rains, the scalp starts getting itching. No dandruff. Dandruff is not the problem, but this itching is a problem according to her. Second thing, she wants to know about the dark circles around eyes.
Okay. Itching on the scalp maybe due to rainy water or so, na?
Yeah.
Then she should take bath. Maybe she should wash her hair frequently.
Yeah.
I think that should solve her problem.
Correct. Yeah.
ठीक है. Then second is dark eye circles. उसमें causes we have to see. There are so many causes. One is hereditary, then thyroid, then lack of sleep, excess watching of TV, computer.
Yeah.
And maybe some drugs also cause that. So we have to point out the cause or accordingly we have to treat.
Correct. Very good. Yeah. Thank you. Hello. I think we have got one question. Hello.
Yeah.
Doctor. Vichar.
मुगे बायलेक कितें जाता थंड उदका आत थंड पावसा उदक लागले थंड उदक न्हावले गरम उदक न्हावले तेका आंगार खाज पडटा.
हय इतकोच क्वेश्चन.
हय
ना उदक लागल्यारूच खाज आनी केन्ना खाज येना.
ना पावसा भिजल्यारूय खाज पडटा.
Again similar question. When the water is poured on the body, means after having bath or going to the rains, the lady gets itching.
हाँ ये भी एक डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम. दिस इज कॉल्ड कॉन्टेक्ट अर्टिकेरिया और एक्वाजेनिक अर्टिकेरिया. इसमें कई बारी ब्लड टेस्ट ऑल्सो वी हैव टू सी समटाइम्स आरबीसीज इंक्रीज हुए होते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड पॉलीसाइथीमिया समथिंग. एंड और इट कैन बी सिंपली ड्यू टू चेंज इन टेम्परेचर ऑफ द स्किन. तो उसमें ये अपना अगर व्हेन ही इज टेकिंग बाथ देन ही कैन सी कि वाटर का टेम्परेचर चेंज करके अगर प्रॉब्लम सेटल होती है तो ठीक है. अदरवाइज they have to take she has to take anti-allergics only.
Yeah,
this is called
very tricky situation because
aquagenic
if it was close we could have said okay well, go for dry cleaning, but now for a human beings we cannot do that. Okay.
Hello, yes.
Yeah.
I am Archana Poibir from Marseille.
Yeah, Madam Archana, please ask your question.
For the past 2-3 years I've been having a problem.
Yeah.
Anywhere like a small scratch, like if I just pull my nail along this, there is a big line, what you say, a wheel.
Yes.
Anywhere. There are no symptoms, just stays on for say about 1 minute and then it passes off.
Yes.
She is having
something having
itching also.
Khaj eta. Yeah, okay, but it appears that it may be a triple response. Whatever you would like to add.
That looks like we say as dermographism or urticaria.
Yeah.
Some people have this to a mild degree. They only have this symptom like red line, but they don't have any itching.
Yeah.
So there's no problem like that. But if they are having itching, then they can go for all the blood tests to see अगर eosinophils increase हैं blood में, तो accordingly we have to treat. Then some more specific tests are there like immunoglobulins जो anti-allergics होते हैं IgE type. That also can be tested. और प्लस हमने जो पहले एलर्जी के कॉजेज बोले like any food items or any drug which is causing that allergy, that can also be there. This looks to be allergic only.
Yeah.
So we have to
one good thing that she said, it lasts only for few 1-2 minutes and then it passes. Apparently,
if she's not having any itching, then she can just ignore it. No
okay. I think now we have got one important question. Hello. हाँ.
हांव श्रीरंग नार्वेकर म्हापशेसून उलयतां.
श्रीरंग बाब म्हापशेसून प्रश्न विचारात. विचार.
दोतोर.
हय.
हालीं पळोवंक गेल्यार जी वयार येयल्लीं भुरगीं आसा त्यांच्या तोंडार सगळे केस येयल्ले दिश्टी पडटा. हे कित्या खातीर आनी हेका उपाय कितें?
एक्झॅक्टली श्रीरंग बाब तुमच्या प्रश्नाची जाप थोड्या वेळ पयलीं मॅडमीन दिल्या पण ती परत तुमच्या खातीर परत विचारता कारण एड्रेस केला हो इश्यू. He has asked most is means younger generation means young females they see a lot of hairs on the face. That is perhaps the gentleman's concern. And so the question is for you. And I told him that you have already addressed this issue maybe with PCOD and all, but still I would like you to take further.
इसमें यही है एक तो वही they have to go for all the hormonal tests to see if everything is normal. And after that they can go for permanent hair removal with laser. That gives very very good results. And we have got the best of laser. By a very good company, US company. Or if they don't want to go for laser, then there are simple methods like temporary methods of hair removal like waxing and all that. But before all this, they have to do all the hormonal investigations to see if everything is normal in the body or not.
Okay.
So they have to see a dermatologist.
Good. Madam, since this question of becoming more fair and more glowing was asked by many people, I would like to ask you one thing. How far these bleaching agents are safe? Or what, whether, because a lot of people go for go to the spas and these salons and then they feel that how far it is this thing, because they are also they are not using as per what is means medically recommended. They just go by the looks or maybe whichever gives a brighter color. How far it is safe? One thing. And second question I'll ask subsequently once you answer this question.
If I tell the people that don't use bleaching creams, I don't think so they will agree to me.
Yeah.
What my personal advice is, they can use it because these because on fair skin or otherwise also black hairs, you see that black hairs start coming and they look bad. So they can go for bleaching cream, but not very often. Some people go for it every 15 days or so. ठीक है ना, तो अगर 3-4 months में 6 months में they go for it, there's no harm.
Even
if I tell them not to do, they will.
They definitely. So at least that's you have spelled out, that is good. So at least people know at least about, okay, this time at least you should, as far as possible.
And use in proper this precautions, and after that use a sunscreen. Like they have told that don't use any soap or any other agent, any other peeling agent or anything else on the face or any area which you have bleached for 24 to 48 hours. So they are all precautions they have to take.
Okay, thank you, madam. I think we got a question. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, doctor. I'm from Bambuli.
Yeah.
Doctor, म्हाका न्हू आता म्हाका 2 जाण भुरगीं आसा, 45 years old.
भुरगीं 45 years old काय 240?
ना, माझी हांव 45 years old डॉक्टर.
Yeah.
आणि डॉक्टर न्हू म्हाका न्हू तोंडाक अशें पिगमेंटेशन जालां. म्हाका विचारूंक जाय, पिगमेंटेशन कशें वतलें डॉक्टर?
नाही एक पिगमेंटेशन म्हणजे कितें जाला, तुझे कलर
काळी वताशें पडल्या, काळी वता
खाताशे पडल्या. खूप कडे पडला का फक्त तोंडार आसा आणि हांगा खूप कडे आसा?
तोंडाकूच डॉक्टर,
फक्त तोंडाक. ओके, एकच मिनिट हा, डिस्कनेक्ट करा. म्हाका सांग, तुझे हे पळय जे मेलर एमिनन्सीस म्हणजे जे हांगा हांव बोटां दाखयता दिसता तुका? आपण हांव बोटां दाखयता पळय त्या जाग्यार चड आसा अशें विचारता तुका हांव. तू म्हाका टीव्ही पळयता तू?
ना डॉक्टर, ना टीव्हीचेर ना, टीव्हीचेर पळय.
अरे टीव्हीचेर पळय मातशें बरें. बरें ऐक. करेक्ट, एब्सोल्युटली. चलो, शी हॅज आस्क्ड वन इम्पॉर्टंट क्वेश्चन. She has got hyperpigmented patches below her eyes. So that means, that's what I want to know, that whether it is a malar eminences. That's what she has said, yes. So how you would go about this?
Yeah, that seems to be a case of melasma. And since she is 45 years old, this is very common around that age, perimenopausal age, because of all hormonal imbalance and all that. So इसमें भी treatment are in the form of some bleaching creams. And then we have to give that sunscreen. If she's working, then she has to put same double coat of sunscreen every 4 hours, whether she stays indoors or outdoors. Then along with that, she can use some face washes जिसमें कुछ salicylic acid या कुछ और acids की preparation है जो कि superficial layers of skin को remove कर देती हैं. That takes away the pigmentation along with it. And hormones का भी check वगैरह सब देख के accordingly, if something is there, that also we have to substitute. Then one more thing, if she is taking any other medication like oral contraceptive pills or that anti-epileptic drugs, they also cause pigmentation. उसको भी she has to avoid.
I see.
Plus some procedures are there which are done by the dermatologist, like chemical peels and microdermabrasion. उसमें भी sittings are there, around 4 to 6 sittings at 15 days or 1 month interval. That also reduces the pigmentation.
Okay. So and even sometimes even after delivery or during pregnancy they start appearing.
That is because of anemia. That is one more cause.
Okay. Madam, I think we have got one question. Hello.